guys, today we'll be seeing how to make the non-Newtonian fluid and whether it is real or is it solid or a liquid. We'll get to know about it.
So now first I have taken the bowl and I'm just going to put a few spoons of cornstarch.
You can add as much amount of cornstarch as you need. It depends upon the quantity that you require.
Oh no!
So now I'm going to add few drops of water. You have to add it very carefully. So you can add little by little. But it's not a big mistake if you add lot of water as well. So as you can see, the perfect consistency is just coming up.
Okay. I will add a few drops, I suppose. Okay. Here goes the first drop. Yeah, 2 drops. I think this is enough. So now we'll mix them again. We'll mix it so that, wow, it just gets spreads up. I already told that we got the required texture, but still, there's a bit of dryness. I will add a drop of water. It's actually a drop of water. The remaining, because if we had a lot of water, then what happens is the consistency doesn't come up. Okay guys, finally it's done. The mixture, the correct consistency is done. So as you can see, it's pouring and I'm just playing with it. So one question that arises to my mind is that whether is it solid or liquid. So I'm going to touch it for the first time. Okay, it's kind of sticking, but it's, as you can see, it's not exactly sticking to my hands. Yeah, it's kind of slime, but it's solidy. It's very solid also. I can't believe it. As you can see, it's like a solid. Ooh, it's a liquid. It's so magic, as you can see. It's purely a liquid.
So now let us try to understand the science behind this experiment. So as you can see, not all liquids are same. Few behave differently when stress is applied to them. So as you can see in this experiment, when more stress, that is stress, is applied to this, it turns into a solid, and when no stress is applied, it changes into a liquid. These fluids change their state of matter according to the amount of stress that is being applied on them. And I hope you understood this scientific phenomena that is happening, and I hope you loved this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.